And today we're going to learn how to boot a tire. What I mean by that is sometimes when you get a flat tire, it's caused by a large hole in the side of your actual tire. If we were to just put another inner tube in, bring it up to pressure, that inner tube would burst out of that hole once again. You can either call someone to pick you up or fix it on the spot very easily. What you're going to use is a dollar bill. Money's very interesting in that it's woven. It's not necessarily a paper, so it will hold pressure. What you're going to do is, when reinstalling the inner tube, or a new inner tube for that matter, you're going to put a folded dollar bill in front of that slash mark. What that's going to do is hold the pressure of the inner tube from bursting through the tire and get you home. However, once you do get home, you want to replace the tire.